A lot of AI users are switching to SillyTavern lately, but is it actually worth the setup, or is it only good for advanced users? So, SillyTavern is basically an open-source interface that lets you connect different AI models for chatting, roleplay, storytelling, and character creation. Important thing here, it's not the AI itself. It's more like a control center where you connect models like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or even local AI models running on your own computer. Now, one reason people like SillyTavern is because it gives way more freedom and customization than platforms like Character.ai. You can control prompts, memory, characters, themes, and even uncensored conversations depending on the model you use. And since it's open source, a lot of advanced users trust it more for flexibility. In real use, most users say the biggest strength is control. For example, writers and roleplay users can create long conversations with better memory and more personality customization compared to many normal AI chat apps. But, well, beginners may struggle at first. Setup still requires some technical steps, and if you want the best experience, you may also need API credits or a decent PC for local AI models. On the positive side, it's free to use, highly customizable, supports many AI models, and gives users much more freedom than closed AI platforms. On the downside, setup can feel confusing for beginners. Performance depends heavily on the AI model you connect, and costs can still appear if you use paid APIs regularly. Now, for the pricing is interesting here because the software itself is completely free. Compared to paying monthly subscriptions for limited AI chat platforms, SillyTavern can actually save money long term, if you know what you're doing. But if you just want a simple open app and chat experience, honestly, this may feel too technical and frustrating. So, worth it if you enjoy customization, AI roleplay, creative writing, or experimenting with different AI models. Not really worth it if you want something simple and beginner-friendly right away. Honestly, this feels more like a powerful AI toolbox for enthusiasts than a casual chatbot app. So, if this video was helpful, a quick like and subscribe really supports the channel. See you in the next video.